Hey guys, so it is Saturday and today I am doing a replacing my screen time with my reading time. Well, partially because I use my phone for filming my videos, so yeah, that's what we're doing today. I am including my Bible in on this, but I've already done my Bible reading for today, and I'm gonna continue this for Sunday because Saturdays and Sundays are pretty much the only 2 days I don't need my phone on or laptop for school or anything. So, yeah, let's get started. So, the first book I'm reading is Nowhere to Be Found by Emily Thomas. Secrets of the Blue Hill Library. While converting the Victorian home left by her great aunt Etty into a library, Anne Gibson stumbles upon a fascinating find. Hidden behind an old star quilt is a tiny sealed off room with a small writing desk and a faded photograph of Etty in a wedding gown. Anne is certain Aunt Etty had never been married. So who is the handsome young man with her in the photograph? Could he still hold claim to the house bequeathed to Anne? As Anne set out to solve the mystery, she makes delightful new friends and runs into old ones, including a high school sweetheart who might not be happy that the woman who broke his heart is back in town. So, I'm really excited, and I'm so excited because it's set in Pennsylvania, and I'm just like, yes, Pennsylvania, represent! Because that's where I'm from. So, I'm gonna start reading. I just finished the Nowhere to Be Found. It was really good. Highly recommend. And if you like Christian mystery novels, that is such a good book to read. And now I'm going to try to pick out another book. Don't know what I'm going to read next, but we shall see. So, I'm also going to be working on my book blanket. I am adding on blue for the mystery I just read, and here's how it is so far. I don't know what I'm going to be reading next. I might read this poetry book I started, or something else. I don't know. So I might read a little bit of the poetry book. So we'll see.